So I recommend Opera. These streets are kind of tile-ish lined streets. They're very attractive, and even on the streets you see the pavers. So it's tiley sort of on the sort of sidewalk, and then pavers on the street. This is a very, very classy area. This area is right next to, if you just cross over, you've got Uptown just right over there. It's right on the other side of there. So there's the Dallas Theater Center. Ernie Banks Memorial Statue. I didn't even know that was there. That's cool. And then the Moody Performance Hall. So you've just got fantastic things to do here if you to stimulate that creative, artistic side of you. That's here in this area, and this is where you will be working. Can't say enough about this great area. And over here, by the way, is Booker T. Washington. It's a magnet school that's gifted and talented for performing arts. So fantastic school. And over here is really pretty much the end of the Arts District. So this is Thompson Knight, that's a very famous law firm that is in town. National law firm, but their offices here. There's things to do as far as restaurants in there too. So another thing, if you look down here, you see over there, that's Woodall Rogers. That is a crossover street that kind of separates downtown and uptown. So, all right, so this is the end of this tour, and what we're going to do, just wanted you to see kind of what this all looks like. And what we're going to see next is we're actually going to go film Clyde Warren Park, which is close by here. It's a area, it's hard to describe it, but it was a highway and they converted it into a park. It was phenomenal. It is phenomenal what they've done to it. And so we're going to see it. It's a very popular area, and that'll be something that you will be very close by being at KPMG. Okay, guys. So check out the Clyde Warren Park. You may also check out some of the other videos that are related to this, like Victory Park, which is just that way. You might check out the Uptown videos. You might check out Deep Elm. You might check out some of the other area videos that we have here, and I think you'll enjoy them. Okay, y'all have a great evening.